This beautiful dog is Grace. She is a boxer Boston Terrier mix, so she has a very unique look to her. Grace is such a sweet dog. She will come right up to you for some attention. She loves to be petted and scratched, and she does seem to get along well with everyone. Just wants to be cuddled and loved on. What a sweet girl. She definitely has a curious side though, as you can see. Grace is just watching everything that goes on around here. She loves to smell and sniff and just explore her world. She'd definitely be good in a home that could take her for walks and let her do that, but definitely also spend some time cuddling with this very sweet girl. While she's been here at the Humane Society, Grace does prefer to go to the bathroom outside, and she walks very nicely on her leash. She also knows how to sit for treats already, and she does take them gently. She is just a smart, well-trained, beautiful girl. She's become a favorite here at the Humane Society, and she's going to make someone a terrific